the sight of a great new bridge being built across Germany's largest river by leading Cologne industrial enterprises, the African visitors are able to study the plans as well as the rational road-building methods employed here. These are of vital importance in order to keep the ever-increasing traffic in the Federal Republic on the move. Leading building experts of the Strabag Company explain the details of the new bridge across the Rhine in Cologne. The German workers have their own way of thanking the African chief of state for his visit. The next day, the destination of the special train placed at the disposal of the African visitors by the Federal Railways is Wolfsburg, a town that has become the symbol of the Federal Republic as the world's second largest producer of motor vehicles. The Volkswagen factory, with its 48,000 employees, awaits President Osman.